In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open images in a Lightbox on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. If you're looking to enhance the visual display of your images to make them more engaging for your site visitors, using a Lightbox is a great way to do that. So let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, go ahead and log into your Squarespace account. To do this, simply open your browser and navigate to the Squarespace website. Once there, enter your login credentials as prompted. After successfully logging in, click on the Website option from your dashboard. This will guide you to where you can see and manage your sites. Next, locate and click on Pages from the website menu. This section displays all the pages of your website, allowing you to select the one you want to work on. Once you've decided which page you'd like to edit, click the Edit button associated with that page. This will enable the Page Editor mode, where you can freely make changes to your site's content and design. Now let's focus on the image block that you want to display in a Lightbox. You need to double-click this image block to open the image editor. When the editor opens, look for the Design tab. This is usually located at the top of the editor window or as a separate option on the sidebar depending on your setup. Once you're in the Design tab, ensure that the layout of your image block is set to inline. This step is crucial because the Lightbox option typically works with this layout setting. Now you will see an option to toggle the Lightbox setting on or off. Make sure you in a larger view that overlays other content, which can be particularly impactful in showcasing your images effectively. If you're interested, you can also choose a Lightbox theme to match the overall aesthetic of your site. This customization option allows you to maintain a cohesive design while enhancing the user experience. A quick tip to keep in mind, the Lightbox feature won't work if you have a click-through URL set on the image. So if you encounter any issues with the Lightbox function not working as expected, check for a click-through URL and remove it if necessary. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to open images in a Lightbox on Squarespace 7.1. Feel free to experiment with different themes and layouts to see what best fits your site's style. Thank you for watching and happy designing.